How to add a booking feature to your Wix website quickly and easily. First, go to your Wix website editor and make sure you're on the page where you want the booking section to appear. On the left side of your screen, click the Add Elements button. It's the little plus icon. A menu will open with lots of options for things you can add to your site. Scroll through until you find Bookings. Click on Bookings, and you'll see a variety of booking templates and layouts you can choose from. Pick your preferred design that fits the look and feel of your website. Once you've selected one, click Add to Page, and Wix will automatically insert the booking section into your site. You can then customize it, change the services, add descriptions, set prices, and adjust the layout to match your style. And that's it! You've successfully added a booking feature to your Wix website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Wix tips. Thanks for watching.